Walkin wheels. No complex measuring. Adjust for all size dogs. 5 reasons why Walkin Wheels is the most popular brand in the world. 1. Adjustability. No other dog wheelchair is so adjustable that it can fit any size dog. Walkin Wheels can be used on growing dogs, other dogs, and has great resale value. 2. No complex measurements. Beware of dog wheelchairs that are sold only based on the weight of the dog. A Basset Hound and a Greyhound can be the same weight, but are very different in size and shape. Height, weight, and breed gives us enough information for a perfect fit. 3. Lightweight, balanced, and strong. Your dog doesn't care about the weight of the cart because he doesn't lift it, it rolls. But you care. Our cart needs to stand up to an active lifestyle. That's why we made it out of lightweight aircraft aluminum, extruded for maximum strength. Our patented adjustable knuckle allows you to balance your cart perfectly and change the balance of the dog's health changes. This means it's always comfortable for the dog. 4. Our community veterinarians and caretakers corner. Join the world's largest handicapped pet takers community. With 70,000 plus caretakers in our Facebook community, 80,000 plus messages on our Caretakers Cafe forum, and over 400 referring veterinarians and dealers, you will be a part of revolutionary change in the way we care for animals. 5. HandicapPets.com service. Everything you need. We work to provide everything you need to care for an elderly, disabled, or injured pet. We carry over 250 products, including harnesses, boots, diapers, and much more. When you buy products from HandicapPets.com, you are assured the quality service and support you need from the largest global supplier of products for handicapped pets. Serving the community since 2001, we understand what you need to care for your best friend.